Which creature, often called the immortal jellyfish, can revert to its earliest stage of life and regrow into an adult? Is it A, a box jellyfish, B, a moon jellyfish, C, Turritopsis doornae, or D, a lion's mane jellyfish? The correct answer is C, Turritopsis doornae. What is the bizarre defense mechanism of the sea cucumber when it feels threatened? Is it A, it plays dead, B, it expels its internal organs, C, it inflates its body with water, or D, it changes color to camouflage? The correct answer is B, it expels its internal organs. The male of which egg-laying mammal has venomous spurs on its hind legs? Is it A, platypus, B, armadillo, C, echidna, or D, hedgehog? The correct answer is A, platypus. What two chemicals react in the Bombardier beetle's abdomen to produce its boiling hot defensive spray? Is it A, vinegar and baking soda, B, ammonia and bleach, C, hydrogen peroxide and hydroquinone, or D, sulfuric acid and water? The correct answer is C, hydrogen peroxide and hydroquinone. What is the name of the bird that is a master of camouflage, often looking exactly like a broken tree stump? Is it A, tawny frogmouth, B, shoebill, C, lyrebird, or D, potu? The correct answer is D, potu. The goblin shark has a truly terrifying feature. What can it do with its jaws when attacking prey? Is it A, extend them forward from its head, B, crush bone with incredible force, C, generate an electric shock, or D, rotate them 360 degrees? The correct answer is A, extend them forward from its head. What does the Texas horned lizard famously squirt from its eyes as a defense mechanism? Is it A, blood, B, acid, C, tears, or D, venom? The correct answer is A, blood. What unique sensory ability does the platypus use to find prey underwater with its eyes, ears, and nostrils closed? Is it A, electroreception, B, infrared vision, C, echolocation, or D, magnetic field detection? The correct answer is A, electroreception. Which animal has the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, with 12 to 16 types of photoreceptor cells? Is it A, eagle, B, a dragonfly, C, a mantis shrimp, or D, octopus? The correct answer is C. Mantis shrimp. The tardigrade or water bear is known for its incredible resilience. What is the state of suspended animation it enters to survive extreme conditions? Is it A. Cryptobiosis, B. Torpor, C. Hibernation, or D. Estivation? The correct answer is A. Cryptobiosis.
That is the end of the round. How did you do? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed the challenge, hit that like button and subscribe for your daily brain workout. If you want to host your own quiz, head over to kiki-d.uk now. Thanks for watching.